Hello, trader. Andre Campbell here. Going to break down a few of the pairs that we've been watching, and beginning with the Forex market. Here you can see the Euro versus the NZD, Pound Aussie, Pound NZD, and the Pound Yen. Let's begin over here with the Euro NZD. You're looking at the daily time frame, and what we can see here, this pair came up through the 1.70664 area, and it looks like the bulls are taking over. The next target is up here at the 1.73525 area, and this is once again is a daily look view here. Let's go on to the 4-hour and see what this pair is doing. Okay, here's a 4-hour view, and you can see the pair came down, bounced off this floor of support, and like it's heading up. At the time of this recording was May 11th on a Friday, so you may already be in this buy. You may have caught it right here and put your stop loss down in this area. If not, you can get in, or you may want to wait for the weekend to be over if you don't want to stay in the market over the weekend. And here you can see the same thing on the 1-hour time frame. So once again, this pair has broken and stayed above the support line here. And once again, if you look here to the left, you can see last time it came up here, it fell off. So let's look to see if this pair can get above this candlestick right here. And this is going to be at, let's say about, let's see if we can get above 1.71, let's go 850. If we can get above that area right there, this could be a possibly strong buy heading back up north. And you can see the next target is going to be up here. Once again, that's the Euro New Zealand dollar. Going down to the Pound Aussie, and you can see this thing, it fell from here, from this 1838 area, and came all the way down. Hasn't quite yet hit this floor support at 1.78607, but like it's trying to get there. Let's look at the 4-hour view to see what's going on here. Okay, we may have a little potential trend change here. It may go back up here from here. This is the 4-hour time frame, and let's see, last time it came right here to about the, let's say that 1.82, let's say 300 area right there, and it fell off. So the daily momentum on this pair is still definitely down. Let's see if it's going to turn around also, or will it continue down to the 1.78607 area. Going over here to the Pound New Zealand. Let's see what's going on with the Pound New Zealand. I'm going to blow this up. This pair looks real good, and you can see it came down here and bounced off this floor at 1.93071, and it's been going up over the last four days, up, making higher highs and higher lows. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame to see what's going on with this pair. Here, big doji candle. This pair may break right here through the 1949, let's say 50 area. Next target is up here, 1.97729. If this pair can break and get above there. Let's look at the 1-hour view. 1 hour is looking good, and you can see here it almost came up to the ceiling of resistance. Couldn't quite possibly break it. This may be a pullback. As you can see here, high pullback. If it can break this area right here, look for this thing. Once again, this is a Pound New Zealand to continue up. The next target would be up here at 1.97729 in that area. So how many pips that is up there? Let's say if it could break here, let's go with like about 200, let's say 230 pips. Once again, if it could break this area at 1949.50, that'd be a good sign for this pair to continue up. I'm even going to go down to the 15-minute view. Let's see what's going on with this pair. And you can see here it's been consolidating in this area. That's a 15-minute view. Rejection here of the bears trying to go short. Big rejection candle. Once again, the time of this recording, this is Friday, May 11th, so you may want to wait till the market opens the new week on Sunday to see what this pair is going to do. If it could break above this area right here, if it does, let's look for it to continue up, quite possibly to this area right here, and then hopefully on to here. If not, look for it to fall. Last but not least, let's look at the pound New Zealand for the Forex pairs. And once again, these are the favorite pairs that I trade. And you can see here, this is where we caught this coming off this ceiling here, 152, 400 area, rode it all the way down. And now this thing is making a decision what it's going to do. It's bouncing off that 147, 300 area down here. Excuse me, I lost my mouse. And I'm using the keypad on the laptop here. And this thing, once again, it's off this floor. Let's see if it could break above and keep going up. If it gets above this area right here, and that's going to be at about, let's go with the 149, 350 area right here. If it can get above there, look for it to continue on up about 300 pips. And looking at the daily view, once again, we're going to see if it cannot. Look for this thing to fall on through and quite possibly continue down to the 142 area. So let's look to see what that's going to do. Last but not least, now that is it for the Forex pairs. I'm going to go over to Bitcoin, one of the cryptos. And you can see it came up here to the 97.9 area, 9,000 area. Hit that ceiling, fell off back down here to the 87 area. And now let's see what it's going to do. Is it going to be able to continue down, or is it going to gain momentum? If it falls, it could come all the way back down to the 6,000 area, 66 area. If not, let's look for this puppy to turn around and hit one target, two targets, quite possibly getting back up to the 11,000 area. Let's look at the 4-hour view to see what's going on right here. A little rejection through, no candles as open and closed below, 8,007, let's say 30 area. None of them opens and closed below, so that's a good sign. Kind of like here, it came down, pushed through, no candlestick open and closed below. Once again, these are the Heikinaichi candlesticks I'm using. And just simple support and resistance. That's it. Nothing fancy, nothing else. Just price action of the market. Those of you who follow me know that I'm a price action trader. I don't predict anything. I just wait to see what the market shows me. And if Bitcoin can get back above this 8,700 area right here and start giving me some blue candles, I'll look into buy. Stop loss right below here. And here's the next target. Once again, let's see what happens over time. And you can see when it came down, it came up from off here, 6,000, nice move up. And let's see, going to be very interesting to see what happens with Bitcoin. Looking back, we can see last time it was in this area, what happened. Here it got rejected, and then it came up 1, 2, 3, and made all the big move up. So let's stay tuned and see what's going to happen, and just keep an eye on this because it may represent a nice move. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. Not much happening on the 1 hour here. You can see right here a little trend is forming, trying to hold that area. Let's see if that area can hold and push it back up. If not, it can continue to fall. So if it gets above 8,000, let's say 87.31, that area, look for possibly for the buys to take over, the bulls to take back over, and push it back on up to the 9,700 area. That's really about it. Stay tuned. Keep an eye on these pairs. It's Andre once again. As always, I'm willing you prosperity in life and in business.